Hello friends, we have seen earlier in this segment how to do indexing and slicing in strings. Now let us take a step forward and learn how to change the character case for a string or remove unwanted characters adjacent to a given string variable. So what we need to do first, we just these are strings method. So we just typed here string methods. Now what we'll do, we will no. So you can change here the way we want. So what we will do now? We don't want like this. I just go to back code and I will do run this. So you can see it will be shown in the similar way. So these are some string methods which we really need to use in our string operations. So change the character of a string in uppercase or lowercase using few methods. These are upper using of upper function and lower is the function by which we can change the cases of a string. First, we will use upper. First, we need to use upper function. So on any string. So let's see. This is string which say I am little girl. So now this is completely in lower cases. Now what I will do, I want to change this in upper cases. So what I will do, I will use like this. So small dot upper. So as I will run this, you can see it will completely change. It will show I am little girl in capital. So you can use upper function for converting any string to uppercase. Now we will use lower function, lowercase for lowercase. If I want to convert any string completely lowercase or any part in any lowercase, so I will use this one. Let's see, there is a string large which say I am sweet girl. As I will do this, I am sweet girl, and you want to print it in lowercase. What you will do here, print within bracket large dot lower. So you can see here and here we can print the output in two different ways, like string dot upper or print within print large dot low. These both will work in the same way. If we do large dot lower, it will even work in the same way. So I am sweet girl. You can see completely change in the lower cases. This is another function or method that we can apply on strings is rstrip. So let me define a string variable and then we will see how it will work. So what I will do, we will use function rstrip. Let's say there is a string where we'll say there is a space, and you should understand there is a string like this. There is a space at the end. So R strip matlab right side strip. So there is a space at the end. So if we really print this one, let's say we will, so R strip function will remove the space at right side. So if we run this one, you can see there is a not any space. But if we print here, print sum, so but see there is a space here. But if you will see here, there is not any space. So this is how R strip or strip function works. Now we will see another one function L strip. L strip will remove the space from left hand side of any string. So what you will do now, we will see any string which is having space at their left side, and how it will work we'll see. Let's say so if we will print here in two different ways, like if we print and if we print with L strip, there will be a change. We can see here L strip. We can see that left hand side of space of any string will be removed. So if we are going to run here, we can see by using sum. So this is how strip function works. For left space, for right space, we can use it. So one more example we can see for strip function. So what it will do, we will use here strip function, not left side strip, not right side strip, only strip. So how does it work? It will trim the unwanted variables from left hand side both, left or right side both. So how does it work? Let's say there is a same string, but it has both side space. So for removing both side of a strip, what we need to do? We really need to do print sum dot strip here, and we can see there will be only actual string will be there. So there is no space on left side or right side we can see here. So this is how string function works. Now there is one more example we can see here. Let's say there is a string with characters and the value of the string is this, something like this. So how we can we just want to extract this 444, or how we should work on this, how we can do, we should do print, we need to operate both left hand side and right hand side. So what we will do, num cas dot r strip, हमें right, we need to remove from right hand side this hashtag, and from left hand side we want to remove this star. So if we run this, we can see here okay, there is an error here. Yes, there is an error. This, oh, this one is the error. So if we remove the error and run this again, then you can see how does it work. So the beauty of Python that we can apply multiple functions in one line on a specific variable or table or column. To use next one function, that is count. So if there is any string, let's say if there is any string, let's say this is a magic. Let's say this is a string. I want to count some particular digit or some particular value there. Let's say I want to count I. How much time I is there? So what I will do, I will use count function, print string dot count I. So how much time there is I in complete string? There was an error, so I just corrected it. It's worked. So this is a magic. How much time there is I? I can say 3 times. So this is how it works. Now, if I want to print in the string, in the same strings, I from index fifth, This is for complete string. This is from fifth index. So I can say output is 2. So this is how the indexing works, and this is how the count function works successfully. So to specify the role string, it is used to perform string formatting. Let's see now. Next, we will do formatting of string. If there are few strings like A is data, B is analytics, and C is pandas. There are strings. So if I want to print it combinedly, even I can do like this. I'm if I will run this, I can get this. But this is not a very technical way to do it. If I want to use, let's say I am going to use here using word. So if I will run this, what it will give? Data analytics using pandas. You can see it. So this is how we can print different strings together. But this is not the right way, this is not the professional way to do it. So professionally, we use format function. And what is format function? So print, we will use curly bracket. We will again use curly bracket. We will again use curly bracket. Here we will put 0. Here I will put 1. Here we will put 2. And now we will use format function. Format A, comma B, comma C string. This is the how professionally we should write, which is more standard way of typing the string club together. See, we didn't use here spacing, so there is no space. If I will run it again, then it's looking like this. This is more standard way, and there are other plenty of functions which we can use in for string. So what we will do for that, and we can see here there are number of functions which we can use for string. You can practice with few of them, not necessarily complete each. So I'm ending my demo here. I hope you got how to use few functions here like format, count and lower upper. Thank you for watching my video.